Today we're going to talk about the made-in non-stick 3-piece frying pan set. Let's get into it. So in this set, you're going to get 3 pieces, as it says in the title. You're going to get an 8-inch pan, a 10-inch pan, and a 12-inch pan. Now, the great thing about the made-in is its quality. It's made from a company in Italy. It's a relatively small company, but these things are made to last. In fact, these will last 70 times longer than any competitor that has out there. The non-stick surface has 2 layers, and when you're cooking with these, I don't know, you can think of anything that you cook in your household, but for instance, I cook eggs with this one here. I've had these for a couple of years now. The eggs, you don't need any cooking oil to put into the pan in order for it to be a slick surface. And when you're cleaning them up, you get put them underneath the water after they cool off. You don't want to clean these when they're still hot. Let them cool down. Put them under the water, or use a shower spray in your sink and just spray it off, and the material just rolls right off the surface of these pans. So easy cleanup. The cooking surfaces allow for you to put many different types of foods on here without having to worry about is it going to stick to the bottom of the pan and you're going to have to scrape it to get it off. Literally, it just rolls off this material. Probably the best cooking set I think we've had in my household ever. And I honestly will not go to anything else after buying these. It's a commitment. The price isn't what we usually pay. You usually went down to our local retail store and purchased a nonstick pan. And we got tired of doing that because we noticed that we had to go through them so much. These are going to last for years. And like I said, we've had these for 2 years. And honestly, it's like we just bought them because the surfaces have lasted that long. So I would highly recommend these if you're considering a cook set for your household. Check out Made In. Do your diligence if you want to read about them on the internet, particularly here on Amazon. But I wouldn't have any other pans in my cooking lineup than Made In. So get out there, pick these up, do yourself a favor, and your cooking will be that much better for it.